No diamonds are flawless, and let me tell you why. Despite what you hear and what you see, even in a grading report, there aren't really any flawless diamonds. And what does it mean? A diamond is graded with a jeweler loupe, which is under 10 times magnification. So you will take the diamond and view it through the diamond loupe and scan the diamond layer by layer to identify any flaws or any inclusion. Some are internally, some may be externally. So you may have a diamond that you won't see anything under a 10 magnification loupe, but when you enlarge the diamond with a microscope to times 30, you will definitely start to see some inclusion, also what we called nature fingerprint. Traces of mineral, of gases, internal cracks or any other element. And let's be honest, even as human being, nobody is perfect. Not even you, even if your mommy says so. Every person got unique character, unique attribute that make you one of a kind. The same as a diamond. So instead of calling a diamond having a flaw or having inclusion, we like to call it as a nature fingerprint. The importance of a diamond clarity is as follows. If you have a dark or a black type of inclusion that is positioned on the table of a diamond, it will simply cut off the light as it wants to enter the stone, and as a result it will not go into the diamond and then out of the diamond that you can actually see it. So the cleaner the diamond, the clearer the diamond, the light will travel in and out without any interruption, so the diamond will sparkle more and will have more fire and more light. And that's obviously combined with all the other elements, which is the quality of the cut and the color of the diamond. So subscribe to the channel, watch the other video about the 4 C's, so you will have the whole picture.